Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica, also known as Spiritual Stylist on YouTube. I have been blowing in the wind, child. Y'all, I have not been on my YouTube in forever. But I just seen yesterday we made it to 500 subscribers, so I'm halfway to 1,000. We are officially on the road to becoming monetized. Okay, that is our goal. 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I believe we can do it. I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna keep posting. I got a whole bunch of videos in the draft, so I'm gonna just be popping them out. Okay. So I just want to say I appreciate you guys for your endless support, for even getting me to 500 subscribers, and I haven't been on YouTube. For me, that is a huge milestone because I remember when I was struggling to barely even get 50 subscribers. I genuinely appreciate your support. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you, girl. Thank you. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you know you're gonna keep coming back for more, because I'm gonna keep coming out with more. So we're gonna do it. Y'all, in today's video I am going to be reviewing ISEE hair. This company is a wig company that I'm sure we have all seen in our YouTube streets and our Instagram streets. First of all, can we get into the packaging? Like, this is super cute, and I love little details like this when hair companies do little small stuff like this, because it's like, okay, a lot of times, let's be real, y'all, a lot of times we know this stuff is coming from China, and a bag like this is probably not that expensive to give your customers, but it makes a huge difference on presentation, on quality is the word that I'm looking for, and I love it. The pink is just super cute, and I have been wanting to review this hair company for a long time, so I'm super excited to get into this hair. I'm low-key nervous. I'm typically always nervous when I review a new company because, girl, they be playing with us in these streets, baby. But let's see how this company does. I will be giving you my honest opinion on this hair, like I always do. Any hair review that I do, y'all, I'm giving y'all my honest opinion. And so I'm gonna be wearing this wig for about, I'm gonna give it a good 2 weeks to a month. We'll see how it's doing in 2 weeks, and then I'll come back and give you guys a full review on this hair. I haven't opened it, I haven't looked at it. This is gonna be my first look at it. This is just so, it's giving looks, it's giving, like, the presentation is everything, and the quality of this box, y'all, is really nice. It has like a velvet feel. I know we're not here for the box, but I love how this box feels. I am literally kind of obsessed with the box. Low-key, I shouldn't be that obsessed, but this is how it's packaged. Giving, I'm about to open up a Chanel bag, okay? I wish. I wish. This is the ISEE Princess collection. I did order 2 wigs from them. I ordered, I forgot what I ordered. Actually, let me go ahead and get into the details of what I ordered before we get into the wig. Alright, y'all, so I bought on my order, I placed my order on July 10th. Okay, so I got the Body Wave Wear and Go Glueless Lace Closure Wig, pre-cut HD with natural hairline. Y'all, so let me just go ahead and preface this. I did go ahead and invest in 2 wigs from ISEE hair, and I got glueless wigs because I'm really trying to invest more time into my natural hair. My natural hair is growing, but I'm trying to get it back as thick as it was. Like, my hair used to be super thick when I was a young girl, and it's long. It's like a little bit past my shoulder length at this point. It's grown back since I cut it last year, but I haven't really been giving my natural hair the time and effort that it needs because I have been wearing wigs. And girl, when I tell you, with my Touch by Misty glue, my wigs be on for sometimes too long. I don't be having time to like really do my hair underneath. So with that being said, I figured glueless wigs, I could take them off at night, you know, and do my consistency as far as my natural hair routine and still have the whole natural hair, but still be taking care of my natural hair, but also wearing wigs in the process too. Because let me tell y'all, when my hair is under wigs and I'm not doing nothing to it for a while, it grows. I'm trying a whole new process. If y'all want me to get into natural hair care, I can definitely do that and give you guys a video, but just comment down below if that's what y'all want. Just bought 2 wigs because I'm dipping my toe in with this company. I'm gonna just let y'all know this audio on this video is about to be probably horrible, because I just went from recording with my microphone to recording to my camera to back recording on my microphone. So yeah, y'all gotta bear with me. But in today's video, we're gonna be trying the Kinky curly wig. Before we get into the rest of it, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got, because they did give me some goodies, which is super sweet. So I got these wig caps. Look at the wig cap compared to the normal wig caps that people send. That is interesting. Okay, I see you. I like this. I like that they sent me this type of wig cap, because these are the type of wig caps that I'll wear as is. So we're gonna get into that wig cap for sure. We do have a card. Oh, this is so, I love it. They gave me a little eye mask. This is cute, and it says princess. Oh yes, get into it. I feel like an influencer right now. They gave me lashes too. These are super cute. I'm not gonna even, the fact that they even did this, like, these are 6 pairs of lashes. 6 pairs of lashes. Yeah, I guess this is because it's from the princess collection, that's why they give you so many gifts, because I still got stuff in here. But this is really sweet. Like I said, it's really genuinely all about, like, quality for me. It's not necessarily as huge as, like, is the hair on the way good, but I just feel like if I'm investing this money, come on now, like, this stuff is not expensive. So thank you, princess. So thank you, ISEE Hair. Okay, thanks. And then last but not least, I do have a bonnet, so I can show y'all this bonnet. It's so cute. It says princess. Cute. It's you know, it's a thin quality bonnet, but it'll do. I mean, you can never have too many bonnets. Come on now. You see it. Come on now. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, more. We got a bag for the hair. Cute. And we also got a little lace band. I've been wanting this lace band. I love this lace band. It's super cute. I also like Unice's lace band, but don't get me to talking about that hair company, because we talking about ISEE Hair right now. Anyways, and then they did give me a little edge brush. This is cheap, but it's the thought that counts for me. Because you can see the little bristles already falling off. Anyways, I can never have too many edge brushes. I really like this though. I don't know why, I just like that font. I think that's so cute. So this is the wig, y'all. Go ahead and take this out. Okay, look at the hairline. Ooh, it's a natural hairline, definitely plucked. All right, before we take off this net, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair for this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what this wig is gonna look like on, just to kind of assess if I need to. Maybe I really don't want to have to bleach the knots, because I know that's like not the point of a glueless wig. But I feel like I would like it better. I'm not sure. We'll see what it looks like. I hate to like not wash this wig though. Like, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out the box, but I do not like putting wigs on my head without being washed. I just don't. That's just not appeasing to me. But this is what the 16 is looking like. Let's just go ahead and put her on. It does have a band, thank the Lord, for security. And then this is the lace. It is pre-cut, thank the Lord, so good. That'd be the hardest part sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on my head. Alright, y'all. Maybe I should have went a little longer. I'm like looking at it. I really wanted to look more like my natural hair. So that's the look that we're going for. And truth be told, I think this hairline is actually pretty nice. The lace is nice too. Now you can definitely see the hairline. We don't want that. That's what we don't want. I'm trying to decide if I want to me. I'm the type of person, yes, it's glueless. We also want that lace to look melted, and right now it's not looking melted. So what we gonna do, we gonna see what it's gonna look like with just makeup, and then that'll be the deciding factor of whether or not we put some spray adhesive on here. We want natural, not lace. Okay guys, so for the next part of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style the hair and how I do the lace. I went ahead and applied some foundation onto my wig cap. I probably should have applied a little bit more because I didn't pull that wig cap back enough. I did just apply some lace melting spray onto the lace, and I just did that, tapping that product in using my finger, and this is pretty much helping me control where the product goes a little bit more. This lace melting spray is a little difficult to apply. I have learned to kind of tilt my head up a little bit when I use it, but I didn't do that in this video. So yeah, I'm just using my finger and applying that onto the lace, and then I did that about 3 times before I blow dried it, and I'm blow drying on cool, and that's what I'm doing here, just blow drying that. And whichever parts I see start to lift, I've noticed with this wig, it does kind of start to lift a little bit on the sides. So then I just placed my ISEE Beauty lace band onto the hairline of the wig, and as I was putting that on, I'm like, girl, no, this is not tight enough. Like, no. So I went in with my real elastic band, and then I just put the ISEE Beauty elastic band over it for extra security. And I'm moving fast, y'all, I know. I went ahead and curled my hair with something that I wouldn't necessarily use on my hair, but I would use on wigs. So this is just something that I had in my cabinet that I use. And the entire process, what I did was I applied some mousse onto the hair, some water, mousse, and then the curling moisturizing conditioner. It was like leave-in conditioner, and I just applied that onto the entirety of the hair. As you can see, I know I'm going fast, but it's really just styling the hair to get the curls that you want. And this is the shedding. I will say this hair did not shed at all, and this is what the elastic band was looking like. As you can see, you can't see that freaking cap. So I did wind up pulling it back a little bit more just to make it a little bit more realistic. And so then I cut some layers into the hair. I ordered a 60-inch, but I didn't realize it was going to actually come like a bob. So the hair in the back is a little bit shorter than the entirety of the rest of the hair, and I did not like that, low-key. Last but not least, I just applied some concealer onto my... Alright guys, this is it. I love this wig. This is going to be my go-to wig, okay? The Glueless is definitely giving Glueless now. I do still have my little indent line from my lace band, but that'll go away. But other than that, the lace looks really nice. I did go ahead and draw my little part. So this is what the wig looks like. It is super cute. Let me back up so y'all can see the length, but it is shoulder length. This, honestly, my hair is literally this length right now, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it to look like my hair, because my hair goes to about like my hair. Okay, so if this is where the wig stops, my hair is this actually like, yeah, my hair right now is this length, but I have a completely different curl pattern. I'm not a believer in good hair. I believe all black women and black people have good hair. It's just some hair protects your head more than others, okay? That's all it is, from the sun. My curl pattern is a little bit tighter than this. This actually looks like my mama's hair. Like my mother's curl pattern is this, and I wish I would have had her hair, but I got my daddy's hair. I think I actually got a mix of my dad's hair and my mom's hair. I love it. I did cut it a little bit to give it some shape, so some parts are shorter than the other, and that's really what I want. Like, natural hair isn't all one length, so for it to be one length, it's not gonna look like my natural hair. And I want to go out and be like, I want them to be like, oh, your hair is so pretty, I love it, it looks like your, is that your real hair? Yes, it is, because you can't see the lace. And I mean, who would know? I low-key need to call my mama and see what she say and see if she like it, because this literally looks like her hair. She gonna be like, hello, April. She literally is gonna feel like she's looking at her. Let me call her. Y'all, if y'all hear kids outside, I'm sorry, they swimming. Let me turn the camera on. Hi, Mom.
Hello. Okay.
Don't it look like your hair?
Well, so don't look like my hair.
You going on my YouTube? I said I was gonna call you because I was like, this looks just like my mama hair, literally.
You sure do. Look just like my hair.
I love it. I wish my hair was like this. Y'all, my mama's so cute. She was like, that look like my hair. What I tell y'all she was gonna say? She said it. Okay, it looks very natural, and as it's drying, it's starting to poof up, giving me a little bit more volume. I can come back and let you guys see what it looks like fully dried, but right now this is like halfway dry. It's still a little damp, especially in the back, but this is so cute. It literally looks like my hair. I'll be doing a complete review on this hair company very shortly, ISEE Hair, because we're gonna see how this wig works. This is gonna be my wig that I wear for the next few weeks because I love this, and I'll let y'all know if something changes. But so far I really feel like the hair is soft. It's drying up really nicely. It's not like too dry. Will I say buy this hair? Girl, I'm happy I did. That's all I'll say. I'm happy I bought it. What is this? I need to get rid of that piece. I am going to just take a little bit of alcohol and wipe up the rest of the excess glue that slid down. I want to do like some color. You know, my next wig is gonna be color. We're gonna start experimenting with some color, y'all, because I need something different. I need a change. Like, I love black hair. I'm obsessed with black hair. So don't get it twisted, because a jet black baby is always gonna be in. But I feel like this would be super cute with like some blonde or some brown, or not necessarily all the way, but like highlights. See, I might be investing in another wig real soon from ISEE Hair. We'll see, baby, 'cause this is really cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna take some pics, y'all, and go ahead and get dressed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babes.